Hi friend, my name is Stace. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here today. I'm new to YouTube and I'm really excited to get started with sharing all about my journey and my life. I am totally passionate about transforming my life, being happier, healthier, and just finding myself again and finding my self-love. So if you're interested in something like that, whether it is beauty or health in general, or just trying to start and get yourself back on track to finding the beautiful and healthy you're in the right place. I'll be talking a little bit about my health journey, my self-love journey, as well as beauty and fashion, because that's my background. I'm really excited to be here, as I've said before, because I'm always wanted to share things with everyone, and I want you to share with me too. I want this to be a conversation between us, not just one person giving all the information. I want to learn from you too. In my videos, you'll be sure to see my dog. Her name is Bridget, but we just call her BB. She is my partner in crime and she brings me so much joy every day. Besides that, I definitely want to introduce you also at some point to my sister. We have founded Grand Girls and we're all about girl power and empowering women in general. So if that interests you, tag along and let's keep going. A little bit about me. I was born and raised in South Africa. That's why I have this little strange accent, because I currently live in San Diego in the United States. So my accent is a bit of a cocktail at the moment. So bear with me if you don't understand something that I'm saying. Please reach out. I'd love to clarify. Besides that, I'm sure you'll see snippets of San Diego in my videos, and share with me your favorite spots. I've just moved here from Northern California, so I'm still exploring a little bit and getting to know my way around. I'm just so excited to start this off, and I'm really excited to get to know you better. Bye!